Good evening. My name is Tom Pilbaugh. I'm coming from Altoona, Pennsylvania, and I'm about to list off the three assets that I have that would make me useful in the social work field. My first one, I have a thirst for knowledge. This is a trait that I was proudly passed on from my grandfather. He always was a person that encouraged to have a higher learning. So from learning how to drive a tractor, to learning how to lay down a floor, to learning how to upload a video, I have always just really enjoyed to learn new and different things. I feel like that is a good thing to have, an asset to have, because it paves the way to my next asset, and that is experience. From growing up in an abusive home to serving in the military and learning how to make it work with other individuals of different backgrounds and still figure out a way to make it work, to being a drug and alcohol counselor, to being a LGBT Veterans Care Coordinator at my local VA. I have a lot of experience in the social work field. And I think that all leads up to my third asset, which is my passion. I cannot express this enough. I know this is cheesy, but I feel like this is what I'm meant to do with my life. I love helping others, particularly veterans. I like to help them adjust back to life and learning how to cope with PTSD as other veterans have helped me. I'm just trying to pay it forward. So that's all I have. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to working with all of you.